Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss about the basics of Wi-Fi protocol, Wi-Fi technology. So it is a technology for wireless local area networking. So using Wi-Fi we can establish a local area network LAN, wireless LAN. So it is a trademark of Wi-Fi Alliance. It is based on IEEE 802.11 standard. Wi-Fi compatible devices can connect to the internet via wireless LAN network and a wireless access point. So this is the main advantage of Wi-Fi, that devices that are connected with Wi-Fi can directly access internet. Okay. Such an access point has a range of about 20 meters indoors and a greater range outdoors depending upon the walls, trees and all that. Access point is also known as hotspot. You all know we create hotspot in our mobile phones. So it is an access point. We are creating an access point for other devices. Other devices can access internet through this access point. Devices that can use Wi-Fi technology include personal computers, video game consoles, smartphones, digital cameras, tablet computers, digital audio players, modern printers, televisions, and these days almost every electronic thing has Wi-Fi. So it uses 2.4 GHz ultra high frequency ISM radio band and 5 GHz radio band. It is more vulnerable to attack than wired connections such as Ethernet. So it is wireless LAN, so everyone can access it and hack it more easily. But there are some security issues more than Ethernet. But again, we can enhance the security. The IEEE 802.11 standard is a set of media access control and physical layer specifications for implementing wireless LAN computer communication in 2.4, 3.6, 5 and 60 GHz frequency bands. So there are various frequency bands. They are created and maintained by IEEE Landman Standards Committee, that is IEEE 802. The base version of the standard was released in 1997 and after that it has various amendments. Wi-Fi technology may be used to provide internet access to devices that are within the range of a wireless network that is connected to the internet. These days we all use Wi-Fi, so we know that it can be used to provide internet by making a hotspot, and the device that creates this network is called access point. The coverage of one or more internet connected access points can extend from an area as small as to a few rooms to as large as many square kilometers. Okay. In addition to running on different channels, multiple Wi-Fi network can share channels. Each service set has an associated identifier. Okay, so there is a unique identifier. It is a 32-byte identifier. It is called service set identifier, SSID, which identifies the particular network. So every network has its unique SSID. Okay, and it is 32 byte. It is, so 32 byte means 256 bits, right? So Wi-Fi allows cheaper deployment of LAN. In LAN wiring is very costly. So if we create Wi-Fi hotspot, it is cheaper. Also, spaces where cables cannot run, such as outdoors and historical buildings, can host wireless LAN, where cabling is difficult. However, building walls of certain materials such as stone with high metal content can block Wi-Fi signals. Wireless access points connect a group of wireless devices to an adjacent wired LAN. Okay, wireless access point connects a group of wireless devices to a wired LAN. So wireless LAN parameters. which parameters we need to set. There are different modes, device modes, in which we can configure a W line. Like peer-to-peer devices, they are kind of end devices. Then access point. These end devices connect with this access point through a wireless network to access internet. And in last, WLAN station. So station is every access point has to be connected to this station, and then from there is a station. At every station there is a wireless access point, so it connects a group of access points and devices through wired LAN. So access point mode, if set to an access point role, the Wi-Fi subsystem has numerous specific configurations for AP mode that can be set. So there are different configurations that has to be done in AP mode. Like SSID, we have to give a unique SSID, country code, beacon interval, operational channel, hidden SSID, various things are there. Password, security type if we have to use, as it is vulnerable to attacks. Peer-to-peer, there are fewer configurations in compared to access point, but there are configurations. If set to peer-to-peer role, the Wi-Fi subsystem has specific configurations for P2P mode, like device name, type, operational channels, then scan channels. What are the scan channels? Information elements, few other informations. Okay. So this is a device, a hardware device, CC3100. It is designed by Texas Instruments, and it is specifically designed to access internet using Wi-Fi. So the name is CC3100 Simplelink Wi-Fi. It consists of a Wi-Fi network processor and power management subsystem. So we have to do very less configurations. There is a Wi-Fi network processor inside this device. It can connect any low-cost, low-power microcontroller to the internet. Okay, so basically it is designed for the use in IoT. So it can connect any low-power, low-cost microcontroller, any microcontroller, to the internet for IoT applications. And through microcontroller, we can do all kind of stuff. We can interface sensors, and through this microcontroller and this CC3100, we can send the data to the internet. There is one more advanced device, that is CC3200. It has both the things, a microcontroller and also Simplelink Wi-Fi processor. So in this there is only Wi-Fi processor. It does not have any microcontroller. We have to use microcontroller in this device. And with CC3200, we don't have to use any other thing. Simply we can take sensors, we can interface with CC3200, and then in that there is a Wi-Fi processor, so we can send anything on the Wi-Fi. So CC3100 device is the industry's first Wi-Fi certified chip used in wireless networking solution. So it was very first. This device integrates all protocols for Wi-Fi and internet, which greatly minimizes host MCU software requirements. So if we do not use this device, and we have to upload our data on the internet from our microcontroller, then there will the huge cost of software and hardware. So it minimizes the software cost, and it is also not very costly. There are also built-in security protocols. The CC3100 solutions promises to provide a robust and simple security experience. So it is even more secure, so it is better. It can connect to any 8, 16 or 32-bit microprocessor over SPI or UART interface. So these are serial communication interfaces we have already discussed in previous lectures. So serial peripheral interface and UART, it can connect with any 8, 16 or 32-bit MC. Okay, so we can use it with almost any microcontroller. Fine. So this is the hardware overview, or you can say overall architecture of CC3100. So this is the radio antenna. This is your main Wi-Fi processor. All the informations regarding internet and Wi-Fi are hardwired and embedded inside this processor. There is a Mac processor over here. Okay, RAM, ROM, encryption block. This is serial communication block using SPI and UART. You can connect it with any microcontroller. And this is power management and system management block. So DC to DC converter, battery monitor, and again oscillators to provide clock frequency. Okay, so this is the overall hardware overview of CC3100 device, and let us see what is inside this Wi-Fi driver or processor. So this is the internal diagram of that Wi-Fi ARM processor, Wi-Fi network processor. So embedded internet protocols, TCP/IP internet protocols, and this is embedded Wi-Fi driver, MAC, baseband, and radio. Okay, and this is external microcontroller. We have seen SPI, UART drivers, and over there we can design user applications. Okay, so what are the applications? So in all the IoT applications we can use these devices: cloud connectivity, internet gateway, home automation, industrial control, and IoT 4.0. Okay, home appliances, smart plug-in metering, access control, wireless audio, security systems, IP network, sensor modes, smart energy, and there can be huge applications, lot more applications. Okay, thank you. So that was all about the basics of Wi-Fi, introduction to Wi-Fi and CC3100. Thank you.